On the 1st of November, Manaka posted a video filled with memories of Katlego, paired with a message that read, "Happy birthday, my beautiful angel. Today you would have turned 25. Our first 1st of November without you." She described the pain of waking up without her daughter and the ache in her chest and womb as she remembered the day she gave birth. Katlego passed away earlier this year from natural causes, leaving behind a young son and a grieving family. Manaka has been open about her journey through grief, often sharing reflections and memories on social media. Manaka, known for her roles in Stokvel, Isidingo and Generations The Legacy, has shown strength. She said she hadn't slept the night before Katlego's birthday, anticipating the emotional weight of the day. Mzansi responded with love. One fan wrote, "Sending you strength, Mama. Katlego's light lives on." Another said, "Your honesty helps others heal too." Manaka's tribute reminds us that grief is love that has nowhere to go, and that remembering those we've lost is a sacred act of healing. How do you honor loved ones who have passed? Drop your thoughts in the comments.